Good morning, guys. It's Paul Gillespie here, and thank you for joining me on this YouTube video. What I want to talk about today is I want to show you guys how to make 5 figures in 30 days. All right, guys. I was able to, in 56 days, make over $30,000. And I want to show exactly what I did to you today. Okay? So I'll tell you a little bit about me. My name is Paul Gillespie. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I have 4 kids. Okay, 4 boys, 2 are adults, and they actually have grandkids. So I got 6 grandkids as well, and 2 boys that I still have at home that we homeschool. And guys, I started this because I want to build a legacy for my kids. I want to spend more time with them. And I just felt I was caught in a rut, working extra double shifts and stuff like that. So let me tell you where I came from, guys. In 2023, at the beginning of 2023, I thought I had it made. I thought I was going to retire at the age of 50. I'm 51 years young now. I thought that was it. I did it. And then around September, October hit, and all of a sudden, all the prices, my mortgages went up, guys. You guys can relate, I'm sure. My mortgages went up quite a bit, and my Airbnbs were sitting half full. People just didn't have the money to go on vacation like they did. So I found myself in real hot water. I had all of a sudden all these mortgages I was collecting, guys. One Airbnb I was making over $60,000. It got cut down to $30,000. It wasn't even covering my expenses. So I found myself in really hot water. I had to go to family members and beg them for money just to keep my house that I'm living in. So it was really, really tough time, guys. I was very humbled. And I realized at that time that I can't leave my finances up to the economy. I have to find something that would be, would work even with the economy kind of, teeter-tottering. So I've added 4 streams of income to my portfolio. So I have 4 and I added 4 more. So I have 8 now. And that's what you guys want to do. I want to teach you guys that you got to add more streams of revenue because that will be your safety. If 1 or 2 go down, you still have the remainders there. All right. So yeah. So anyways, guys, I was in really rough shape all the way up to the end of April of 2024. And then on a live, I seen this guy, his name was Daryl, and he said, you could make $10,000 in 30 days. Guys, I stopped that scroll right away because, guys, I was already imagining making $10,000 a month in my meditations and stuff. I was already asking for that from the universe, and to have that put right up in a sign like that, and I was just like, whoa, I want to listen. And guys, I actually got involved on that live. I got my own digital marketing business on that live. That was May 8th. And guys, I'm telling you, ever since then, it has changed my life. I am now not worried about the mortgages and the end of the month. Me and my wife used to be so stressed, the 28th, 29th, 30th. Oh my God, we were always so stressed, guys. And honestly, I felt like I was underwater. But to be honest, I didn't like who I seen in the mirror. I thought I'd be further along at the age I am. I thought I'd already have it made. So like I said, it was a humbling experience, but May 8th has changed my life. And now I'm just going. I'm building something. Now I'm able to see people actually making money that have got involved under me. I see them making money, like seriously life-changing money. Guys, I would say $30,000 in 56 days is life-changing income. You know what I mean? And I'm just getting started, guys. But the big thing is, no, I'm no longer in debt, like underwater. I'm paying those debts off. And guys, I see light at the end of the tunnel. This business has added an excitement for me, So I want to talk to you guys today about the things that really got me wanting to do this, okay? So one, guys, you get 100% of your profits. Yeah, 100% of your profits. That means whatever you make, whatever you sell, it's yours. All of it. Guys, this is not like network marketing, okay? I was in Amway. I always do this on my lives, guys. I was in Amway, and I had the laziest cousin that got me involved. And I was doing the work, guys. If you guys know Amway, you know it's a lot of work. You're in those living rooms. You have family members running from you, because the network marketing is more to get your friends and family involved. This is not that. You do not have to go to friends and family. You don't have to lose friends and family over this. But anyways, guys, I was out there working those meetings, and this guy, my cousin, he was just sitting there on the couch, and he was getting a lot of my profits because he was my upline. No, the days of that are over, guys. This is a different strategy of marketing, right? Network marketing, affiliate marketing, MLM, multi-level marketing, they're all strategies of marketing. Digital marketing is quite different than those other ones I said. It's more current. The network marketing is a bit dated, and I'm not here to down any of them. They're all good, you know what I mean? They all have their place. Me, personally, I prefer digital marketing. So guys, like I said, 100% profits, and you get paid daily. That's right. It's in your account. When the sale goes through, it goes right into your account daily. All right. So that's one big thing. The next, guys, I work only 2 hours a day. I've learned to be efficient and perfect the 2-hour workday. So the best thing I'm getting, guys, is I'm getting my life back. I get to spend these beautiful years with my kids while they grow, right? Don't we all want that, right? We all want more time, because I love the saying, I think it's not one bit of gold or one bit of money ever bought 1 second of time. And that is so true, right, guys? Like we waste this time. We trade time for money all the time. And we just keep doing it and keep doing it. At the end of our life, or when we start getting older, we say, oh my God, life's so short. It is short because you're not there. You're just constantly in a rut. So guys, I work 2 hours a day. I'm sure everybody would love to do that, right? 2 hours a day. That's what I'm talking about. It's awesome. And guys, this is another thing. I don't have any tech skills. I don't have tech skills. I'm like this on the computer. I'm not very, I'm not one of those guys that can do that, or I don't have technical knowledge of computers. The beautiful thing is, guys, you don't need that in digital marketing at all, because the company sets up 90% of it for you. They do most of the work for you. You just have to come up with your domain name, and you got to do a lot of cutting and pasting. So the setup is so good and so easy. For a guy that doesn't have tech, it was like a blessing to me. So, and I'm sure I'm not alone. I'm sure there's other guys. But guys, what this does is it levels the playing field for everybody out there. You don't have to have a fancy university degree or have all this knowledge in computers. This levels the playing field. You can make life-changing income in this learn and earn system that I'm going to tell you guys. So there it is right there, guys. So no tech needed. Guys, the next one is no rejection. Remember what I said about network marketing? You don't have to go to friends and family. You don't sell directly to anybody. You actually just, you do posts, you share on a 5 billion platform. That's, guys, there's 5 billion people on social media. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all those guys, 5 billion users. Guys, there's only 8 billion people in the world, and more than half of them are on social media. Instead of just being a consumer and just scrolling through, guys, you'll be able to monetize on social media for free. That's what I do. I have lots of posts on my YouTube, on my TikTok, on my Facebook. You utilize those 5 billion users, and it's free, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. They're such a blessing. You know what I mean? So guys, no rejection. Okay, you don't have rejection because you're not selling directly to anybody. People come to you. That's the amazing part. And guys, this is the 5th one, and I'm telling you, this one is a game changer, is the 24 automated system. So this system that's included in this works for you 24/7. It's included in your setup. All you got to do is just add your domain and stuff. Once this thing gets going, guys, it's selling while you're sleeping. While you're out enjoying your family, it's working for you. And guys, I will tell you, I told you I made over $30,000 in 56 days. And the day's not over yet, so it might go up. But guys, 90% of my sales is because of that system. That system has made 90% of that money for me. So that's what I mean, guys. It's a game changer. It really does change, the terrain out there. Like, imagine that, guys. Who doesn't want to work 2 hours a day and have an automated system working for you? Yes and yes, guys. Of course you want that. You get your time back. You're making like life-changing income. You're building memories, guys. You get to travel. And the best thing, guys, you can do this anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. My dream is to be on the beach doing my lives on Costa Rica beach or Bali or wherever, really, guys. It's just the beach. I don't really care where it is, but to be on the beach with the wind blowing and the sun and just doing my lives right there, right on the beach, So, guys, I'm going to have more videos coming up, but those are the 5 reasons I got involved with digital marketing. And I'm going to go through it on another video, exactly what it takes to start your own business. So guys, do yourself a favor, take a look at this, okay? My website is www.dailyprofitswithpaul.com. Go ahead and check this out. I wish I had something to show you, but I don't have it. But guys, I'm telling you, check out that website. You got to put the W's in. So www.dailyprofitswithpaul.com. You put your email in, I send you the blueprint, and that way you can take a good look at it. Because guys, on May 8th, opportunity knocked for me, and I answered that door. Believe me, you're going to want to look into this because opportunity's knocking for you too. Now, are you ready to answer the door? Because if you do answer the door, I'm telling you, it will open up a whole new world like it has for me. And not just me, other people too, guys. So you guys have been awesome. So I really appreciate you watching my video. And if you guys can please subscribe, I would really appreciate that. I'm so grateful if I've earned someone's subscription. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.